Poppy Brothers Jr., it's time to go to school. Get your backpack, take a shower, eat your breakfast, and we're going to school.
No, I'm not going to school. I'm gonna play my blocks instead.
No, you're not playing with blocks. We're going to school and that's final.
I wanna play my blocks. I wanna play my blocks. I wanna play my blocks.
Poppy Brothers Jr.
Get the butt out of your way!
Alright, Mr. Johnson. Today we're going to learn how to kick.
Yay, I love kicking.
Hey, Combo Panda, you like kicking from your feet? What about all four? Doesn't need war. Here's some special rocks for your owner, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, I need to take a sneeze. Well, if you take a sneeze, use a tissues. If you don't, use it in your arm. But I can't. Here we come. Oh my God! Poppy Rosalia! What are you doing? Sneeze! Suspended forever! Go to the office right now! Hey, little buddy, what's wrong? I have sneezed loudly and because I'm expended. Oh my God! Go home right now! Oh my God! Poppy Bros Jr. How dare you sneeze extremely loud? You know what they say? You said it works. That's it. You are grounded for 100 years. Go to your room right now!